Hi friends, good morning. Today we are going to discuss another session of numerical analysis, that is solution of a ordinary differential equation by Renji-Kutta method. Okay, so to apply Renji-Kutta method, what we have to do is we will have a differential equation like dy by dx that is equal to some f of xy. Okay, so it's a function of x and y, dy by dx. Okay, so we call it as dy by dx is equal to f of xy, and you are given with some value, that means y of x0 is equal to some y0, and you are asked to find some y of x1 or x2 or something. Okay, or y of x. Okay, that is equal to yatra, that is equal to what? Okay, so to find that, we can use the following steps, right? So here, calculate successively. Suppose you have to define for constant k1 k2 k3 k4, where k1 is equal to hf x0 y0, right? hf x0 y0. What is this h is defined as, suppose you have given with y of 0 is 1, and you are asked to find y of 0.2, right? So then the difference between these values 0.2 minus 0. Okay, what is given and what we want to find? X. This 0.2 minus 0, that we will taken as this h, right? So h we have to take this difference, that is 0.2. Okay, so once I get this h value, so you can given this f of x0 y0. Once you know this x0 and y0 is given in the question, that is that you are given, that is already given in the question, right? Then this next step k2 is hf into x0 plus h by 2, that is k1 you get from this the previous step, that is y0 plus k1 by 2, and k3 is equal to h of x0 plus h by 2, y is equal to y plus comma y plus k2 by 2, and k4 is equal to hf x0 plus h and y0 plus k3. So here you can see a pattern, right? So once you remember this, this is y0, right? And you have to by heart these values k1 k2 k3 k4. So we need only the substitution in the question. Okay, so once I get this k1 k2 k3 k4, we will calculate a constant k that is equal to 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4, and the required value of this function at f of 1.2, or that we have asked. Okay, that this x0 and y0 is given, and this that value is given by the initial value y0 plus the k which we have calculated, right? So this is the final result. So when I do one problem, you will get the correct idea, right? See, here you have given a question, dy by dx is equal to x plus y. y0 is given, that is y of 0 is equal to 1. So let me write the given parameters first, right? So here it is given that this is x0, right? This is y0. So x0 is equal to 0 and y0 is equal to 1. What is, so this is 0 and this is 0.2. So the difference in the value which we want to find, the difference in x value which we want to find, and the different and the x that is given, that is 0.2 minus 0, that is x, this h value is 0.2, right? All right. Now this point 2 we got. Then as per the theory we can find out k1, k2, k3, k4. Okay, what is k1? K1 is equal to hf x0 y0, right? So that is equal to so we may write this is dy by dx is equal to x plus y, right? So that is h is equal to 0.2 into this f of x0 y0. F of xy is equal to x plus y, right? Then what is f of x0 y0? X0 plus y0, that is equal to x0 plus y0, that is 1. So answer is 0.2. Now what is k2? K2 is equal to h f of x0 plus h by 2 and y0 plus this k1 by 2, right? This k1 by 2. All right, k1 by 2. Okay, that is equal to here h again 0.2, right? All right, then what is x0? X0 plus h by 2. X0 is 0, h by 2 0.2 by 2, that is 0.1 comma, and so here I have to put this f, right? All right, plus this y0, that is 1, and this 0.2 by 2, that is 0.1, right? 0.2 by 2, k1 is 0.2, right? Okay, so that is equal to 1, right? That is equal to, so here I can write this. So let me check the formula. Y0 plus, okay, y0 plus k1 by 2, and k1 is equal to here 0 plus 0.1, and y0 is 1 plus, so 1 plus 0.1 by 2, 0.2 by 2, k1 by 2, right? Okay, so what is the value? That is 1.1 plus 0.1, right? That is 1.2. Okay, so the answer is 1.2 into 0.2, that is equal to 4, 2. So that is 0.14, right? 1.2 into 2, that is 0.24. So we got the value of k2. So once I get k2, what is k3? K3 is equal to 0.2 into again 0.2 into, that is the value is, let me check here, that is equal to x0 plus h by 2, y0 plus k2 by 2 again. Okay, so what is x0 plus h by 2? That we have already calculated. You can directly substitute, that is 0.1. Okay, x0 plus h by 2 we have already calculated here. Y0 plus k2 by 2, that is y0 is 1. What is k2 by 2? K2 by 2 is, k2 is 0.24. 0.24 by 2 is, that is 0.12, right? 0.12. So 1.12, that is 0.2 into 0.1 plus 1.12. Okay, that is 1.22 into 0.2, right? So that is equal to 442, that is 0.244, right? So k3 is equal to 0.244. All right, so once I get 0.244, then what is k4? K4 is equal to again, that is 0.2 into, so k4 is x0 plus h, y0 plus k3. Okay, what is x0? X0 is, that's already 0, h is 0.2, right? Okay, 0 plus h is 0.2, okay, plus y0 plus k3. K3 is 0.244, y0, so 1.244. All right, so k4 is 0.2 into, so we can add this, right? So 0.2, that is 1 point, this is when I am adding 0.2 and this, that is 1.4444, right? All right, 1.444, that is equal to 0.288, right? 0.288. Okay, okay, now I can substitute. This is in the final expression, right? What is the final expression? That is 1 by 6 into k is equal to 1 by 6 into k1 plus 2k2 plus 2k3 plus k4. This is the final result we have seen. Okay, now we can substitute all the value here. Okay, this 1 by 6 into, so let me give here, that is 1 by 6 into, what is k1? K1 is 0.2, right? Then what is k2? K2 is 0.24, that is 2 into 0.24. What is 2k3? 2 into, what is k3? K3 is 0.244. And what is k4? 0.2888. Now let me add this all, right? And then substitute, right? So 1 by 6 into 0.2 plus 0.48 plus 0.488, right? 0.488 plus 0.2888. Okay, so that is equal to, so we may add this and divide with 6, right? That will be the final answer. That is, when I solve this, I will get the result as 1.2 something. Okay, so the final result is 0.2428. Okay, so this is the final result. Okay, so this is the method of solving the differential equation using Lenjukutta method. The calculation is a little bit tedious, even though this is an easiest method once you study this k1, k2, k3, k4 values. The only thing which we have to find this k, and that you have to finally substitute, and the final result will be, so we got this result as 0.242 something, right? So we got the final result as k we got as 0.2428, right? Then what is y of 0.2? That is equal to y0 plus k. What is y0? 1. 1 plus k is 0.2428. That is 1.2428, right? So this is the answer. All right. Okay. Thank you.